style. And something very, very, very exciting has happened in Britain. We have got Stitch Fix. Yeah, sorry about the voice. Anyway, my box has arrived, my first box. I thought I'd give it a go. I've been waiting for Stitch Fix to come for years. I thought that it looks such a good idea. Here's my box. I have opened it, but let me just go through and show you what's inside. You get a little envelope, and inside the envelope you'll find a style guide for the clothes that have been sent to you, a pack of clothes obviously, a welcome to Stitch Fix card that tells you how to do the returns, share your thoughts, discover and decide, a receipt, thanks for letting us style your fix, it tells me what I've got, which is some slim cut jeans from Warehouse, buckle peg trousers from Oasis, a edge to edge long line cardigan, you know how I like my cardigans, from Oasis, Warehouse Iman striped tee, and a closet sleeveless pussy bow blouse. Delivery was free, styling charge £10. It will be deducted from the cost of any items you purchase. Buy all and you get a 20% discount when you buy all of your style picks. So 20% on the total would take it down to 132. Without the 20%, it's 166. So that's 33 is the discount if I bought them all. So in other words, one of the items is free if I buy them all. So it's probably worth sending 2 back rather than 1 if you're going to be sending back a cheaper item, one of the cheaper items, I would say. If you send something back that's less than 33, you might as well just keep the item and get the 33 discount. In my case, £33 discount. Anyway, let's see. Let's have a look and see what's inside. So yeah, so my stylist is Heather. How it works is that online you go and select outfits that they put up as examples, and you say, is this you, is it you, is it not you, and so on, and you can fill in some comments. Comments I filled in was that I'm a warm colouring and I tend to wear warm colours on top, and that shorts in 5 foot, 1, and that I will wear dark colours down below, you know, sort of jeans and so on. I wear the navies and blacks and denim and so on. And well, you know me, I actually do wear the colours I shouldn't wear on top as well, but I didn't necessarily want those sent to me because I prefer to just try those out in the shop. But anyway, you know, that's just a little thing really. So I'll have a look and see what I've got here. I have got this is the t-shirt that they sent from Warehouse, and that's very me, isn't it? You know me in my t-shirts and my stripes. For warm colouring, I would prefer not to have a black rim around the neck, but wearing that in the summer with a tan, that may well work. So we'll give that a try on. It's a pretty colour. I really do like that t-shirt. The blouse, this is a closet pussy bow blouse. There you go. And that is from Closet. Yes, Closet, obviously. I said Closet. We'll give that a try on. That's not something you will have seen me in before. The next item is something you will have seen me in before. Not in this colour. I haven't got this colour, and I have wanted this colour for quite a long time because this is a colour, even though it's my wrong colours, it is just such a useful colour. This is a long cardigan, and you know I love my long cardigans. It's a black cardigan, even though it's the wrong colouring for me and so on. And now I said I didn't want black on top, but I have been looking for black ones. Jeans from Warehouse. These are slim cut jeans. Good quality, thick. These are the peg trousers, black, from Oasis. These are £36 with a belt. You obviously can't see an awful lot here, but we'll try these on and show you. Then in the bottom of the box is a plastic envelope to return to Stitch Fix. What I'm not keeping. From what I understand from the people in the US is that you can also, if you want to change an item, but certainly in the States, if you want to change an item, you also use that returns bag for that too. What else can I tell you? So my stylist is Heather. Thank you, Heather. So my notes. It looks like postage is free and returns are free. Now let's get on a try. Yeah, so I'm not so keen on the jeans, but I really quite like the t-shirt. I'm just going to try tucking it in. So that's how I would wear it. Let's see. Okay, yeah. See, the only reason I wouldn't have the jeans is because I have got similar, and I really don't need another pair of jeans. I've rolled up the bottoms of them anyway, but these are straight leg slim straights from, I think it's Oasis. No, Warehouse. Yep. Is it Warehouse? Yeah, so I just don't need these. I don't need these jeans. But yeah, I quite like the t-shirt. So t-shirt I'll be keeping, jeans I won't. Let's see what else. They've also sent these trousers from Oasis. I've had to roll them up because I've got short legs, even though these, I did tell them I was a petite. And you know, I have got trousers like this. So again, although they're a little bit long, I don't need them. And the material's quite warm. So it's a thin but warm material. It's going to be too hot for the summer, too cold for the winter. So I'm not going to get the wear out of these trousers. I do like the style, but I am not going to get the wear out of them. So I'm returning the trousers too. Okay, here is the Pussy Bow blouse. It looks a bit very orange in the video film. It's not. It's actually a tomato red. But you know what? I really like this. I'm going to use some different lights so you can actually see the real colour and the neck. I haven't tied it as a pussy bow. I've done it a more modern way of. Anyway, I'll show you. Okay, this is more of a true colour. Yeah, so I have tied it here. You know, just sort of the modern way of having this tie next. But let's try it as a pussy bow and see what would happen. Interesting. Yeah, could be worn this way. I may wear it this way one day, but I like this more than I thought I would. I was put off by the terminology pussy bow, but I actually really like this top now it's on. And you know what? If I had gone to a shop and seen this on the rails, I wouldn't have picked it up. I wouldn't have tried it on. I would not have done that. This is not typically me. You know from my lookbooks what's typically me. I think I would need a sleeve, you know, strapless bra because it's a bit. It's a bit high here. Look, my bra's showing there. It's only a strapless, strapless bra, which I've got. That's fine. So yeah, I'm keeping this. I like this. I think John's going to like this as well. I mean, I think he'll be very surprised at me in something like this. I think you're going to be surprised at me in something like this in my lookbooks. As feminine as this, I'm not normally that feminine. Anyway, this one is a thumbs up. Whatever you say, don't care what you say. I'm keeping it. Thumbs up. Right, I've popped over the black cardigan over the t-shirt because with the black in it, I thought that it's a really good combination. Maybe that's why Heather chose it. If so, Heather, yes, I really like this. I have been looking for a black cardigan for a long time. I used to have one that I wore a lot. It actually started shredding and so on, so I've had to chuck it out and I have been looking for a replacement. This doesn't have pockets. I would love pockets. However, I love this enough. It's really good quality. Actually, I can feel the quality of it. It's much better than my last one. I think this will last me years, and I think it's a really good staple for my closet. I can use it for work when I want to. I can use it with black trousers, velvet black trousers, smart trousers, casual trousers. So many times I am looking for something that's not a black jacket, and maybe not even a black pleather jacket. You know, a smart jacket or a pleather jacket. The cardigan sits there in between, and I haven't got one. So I am really pleased with this one. So this is a keeper as well. So my keepers are the tops. And I am going to have to return the trousers just because, you know, because they just don't fit properly. These straight jeans aren't actually straight. They're more loose, as we can see in the fit. And the peg trousers are also a bit too baggy for me. And also both are too long. You know, I'm about a 27 inside leg. Marks and Spencer's I would go for a 27. In reality it's probably more 27 and a half, but they're coming, those legs are coming in a bit longer than that. I also ruined the style by adding the turn up and so on, even though I could actually, the peg trousers I could actually take them up, but they just didn't fit around enough for me to do that. So given that I need to return 2, it's not worth keeping one of them just to get a discount, because the two I'm returning are jeans are £46 and the trousers 36, so I'm returning 82. So that, that's obviously greater than the discount of 33. So yeah, I'm returning 82. I still get my styling fee, £10 off anyway. That's it. Great. I really enjoyed my first Stitch Fix. Yeah, looking forward to the next one in a couple of months' time.